Introducing the brand new DCS383 Brushless metal cutting saw from Dewalt. This thing is packed full of brand new features that are really going to improve your ways of working, and I'm going to run you through some of them now. First thing you're going to notice is on the front here you have this brand new integrated chip collector, and what that will do is all the hot metal chips that you get on site will be automatically collected in this, keeping things nice and clean, keeping things nice and safe. You're not going to want those flying everywhere if you're in someone's office or on site, so this automatically sorts that out of you, and it clips on really easy onto the front, and you can take that off and empty the chips somewhere safe. Power wise, this is a brushless machine, so of course you're going to get that increased runtime, increased productivity out of this, and it has an improved 67mm depth of cut on there. So whether you're cutting cable tray, uni strut, rebar, whatever you need to do, this thing will make light work of it with that brushless motor. For ease of use, they've got a really heavy duty steel base on here with integrated measurements, so you can really easily see what you're getting onto. And on the back, they have an illuminated viewing window, so you can really easily see what's going on with your cuts as well. So there you have it. If you're looking for a tool that's guaranteed tough and is going to make your life with metal far easier, look no further than the DCS383 from Dewalt. Check it out now at its.co.uk.